Hi viewers, good evening. Delwar again here. Thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm going to show you on my Go High Levels video, right? How to allow duplicate content, right? So Go High Level users who are like, the agencies and individual who are using, right? There's a problem when we try to create like any smart list. If there is like contact is duplicating, it's not allow you to it's not allow you to like save to your smart list, right? So in that case, what do you have to do, right? You can go to settings, right? On settings, like on company settings, right? If you go to on the bottom on the general, right? If you see like there is a like there's an option, it's called allow duplicate contact. You have to check mark this. If you check mark this and update, right, boom, it will allow you to like uh, entry any like the duplicate contact. Okay, right. So this is it. Just try to try to like test this, and you'll find like your problem is resolved. Thank you.